If x is 4 root 6 upon root 2 plus root 3, you have to find the value of x plus 2 root 2 upon x minus 2 root 2 plus x plus 2 root 3 upon x minus 2 root 3. How to approach this sum? So if you see here, what they've asked, x plus 2 root 2 upon x minus 2 root 2, which means, let us say, this is of the same type, a plus b upon a minus b. मतलब कोई, for two ratios, for some four quantities in proportion, componendo and dividendo needs to be applied. So which means I need a ratio of x upon 2 root 2. So how do I get the ratio of x upon 2 root 2? Because if I apply if I get the value of x upon 2 root 2, I can apply what is x upon 2 root 2 equal to. Then I can apply componendo and dividendo, and I can actually find out this part. So what has been given to us? So I require x upon 2 root 2, right? So x, I can split this into 2 into 2. Root 6, I can split it as root 3 into root 2 upon root 2 plus root 3. Yes or no? Now, x upon 2 root 2. So I'll just take x upon 2 root 2 on this side. What I'm left with? 2 root 3 upon root 2 plus root 3. Fantastic. Now I got what I required, x upon 2 root 2. I'll simply apply componendo and dividendo on this. That means x plus 2 root 2 upon x minus 2 root 2 should be equals to 2 root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 3. Correct? So this became 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 plus root 2. 2 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3 minus root 2. So this is what I got as the first part. Now for second part, I must have done the componendo dividendo in which on x upon 2 root 3. So I need to find out what is x upon 2 root 3. So again here I will go. So here this time I will take 2 root 3 down. So what will be left? 2 root 2. Now if I take 2 root 3 down, 2 root 2 upon root 2 plus root 3. Clear or no? Now I'll apply componendo dividendo on this. Upon x minus 2 root 3 is 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus root 2 minus root 3. Clear? So this became 3 root 2 plus root 3 upon root 2 minus root 3. So I got this quantity also. Now I have to find this plus this, which means I have to find this plus that. So I'll just add these two. So I'm not writing x plus 2 root 2 upon x minus 2 root 2 plus x upon 2 root 3 upon x minus 2 root 3 equals to. So I'm just assuming, I'm just calculating the value of that aspect. So I'm just adding this 2. So that becomes equal to 3 root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus root 3 upon root 2 minus root 3. Correct? So here I have root 3 minus root 2, I have root 2 minus root 3. So I will make them same. So I will just take minus common here. So this I can write it as 3 root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. I take minus common here. So 3 root 2 plus root 3. And if I take minus common here, this will become root 3 minus root 2. If I took minus common here, minus into plus, it became minus here. Now I can merge the denominators. And here it will become 3 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus root 3. So 3 root 3 minus root 3 is 2 root 3. And root 2 minus 3 root 2 is minus 2 root 2. And down is root 3 minus root 2. So if I take 2 common here, it becomes root 3 minus root 2, and down is root 3 minus root 2. This will get cancelled. So this value is 2. So 2 is the answer for this. So we could solve this problem easily. Right now when I'm explaining this to you, it's looking out to be a little lengthy, but when you actually do it, it's very quick. You can do it. You can do this actually in 60 seconds. Let's move ahead. So we have been given x cube plus 12x upon 6x square plus 8 is y cube plus 12y upon 9y square plus 27. I have to find x upon y. Very good. Very interesting sum. So if I look at this, directly componendo dividendo may not come to your mind, but such type of sums always we can use we can do it by using componendo dividendo, because I can see there is some relation here. If I apply componendo dividendo here, the if I add this up in my mind, I'm seeing it will become plus 6x square plus 8, and if I subtract this, x cube plus 12x minus 6x square minus 8. So in my mind it is going, this is x plus 2 ka whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So I can see this is x plus 2 ka whole cube, and this is x minus 2 ka whole cube. Similarly, you will find on that side y cube plus 12y plus 9y square plus 27 upon y cube plus 12y minus 9y square minus 27. So this I can write it as x plus 2 the whole cube upon x minus 2 the whole cube, and that I can write it as y plus 3 the whole cube upon y minus 3 the whole cube. Correct? So if cube of this side is equals to cube of that side, I will take cube root, which means x plus 2 upon x minus 2 will become equals to y plus 3 upon y minus 3. Correct? Now I will again apply componendo dividendo. So this will become x plus 2 plus x minus 2 upon x plus 2 minus x plus 2 is y plus 3 plus y minus 3 upon y plus 3 minus y. So 2 got cancelled, so this became 2x, x got cancelled, so this became 4. 3 got cancelled, so this is 2y, y got cancelled, so this is 6. 2 will get cancelled with 2 here and 3 here. So x upon y is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is the answer. Okay. Hello students, this is Aalok Gupta, your mathematics mentor and coach at Kkhyatis EdTech. So I have brought a lot of problems around 120, 130 on ratio and proportion. Please go through it, and if you have any queries, please get in touch with me on WhatsApp or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be getting motivated and I will come with more and more such concepts in near future. Thank you so much.